Hey everybody, this is Colin here from Jerry's Trailers and Campers. Here behind me I have a 2013 Forest River Surveyor 220. Great trailer, just came in. Let's take a look at it. So on the outside of this 2013 Surveyor by Forest River, we got our fiberglass outside as well as a power awning. Lots of storage underneath. As well up front, we also have a power jack, which makes hooking on and unhooking a lot easier. We take a look on the outside here a little bit more. We have our nice handle, which folds out, as well as some speakers. Let's go around to the back side here. We have our spare tire, ladder, and an outside shower. Now it's really nice to have that outside shower just because you don't want to track all the sand and all the dirt inside of your camper. On this side we have a wall slide here which slides out quite a bit to provide room on the inside. And that's it on the Surveyor on the outside. Let's head on in to the inside to take a look. All right, so inside of the 2013 Surveyor by Forest River, one thing that you notice when you come into the trailer has lots of space, lots of open space due to that nice slide out that slides out and just gives you a lot of room. So on this here, we have a couch that makes into a bed. You can fit about 3 to 4 people on there. And then if you make your way up to the ceiling, we have a central cooled air conditioning unit, which is made by Dometic, as well as a Dometic refrigerator and freezer, which can run on gas and electric. You'll notice that this trailer has all the amenities such as a range and an oven and a microwave, as well as a huge sink here. You'll also notice we'll go back to the bathroom here. Good sized bathroom with a stool and a shower with a tub and lots of storage. Lots of storage to store some clothing or towels. And if we make our way up front here, you'll notice we have a TV inside the trailer, as well as some other storage above the couch. And let's check out that queen size bed. Got lots of storage up front, above the bed. Nice little trailer for anyone if you want to accommodate your needs while going camping. You can check it out at jerrystrailers.com or stop in to see it. We're in Norfolk, Nebraska. You can contact us through our webpage at jerrystrailers.com.